We recently evaluated a beautiful home in northwest Oklahoma City that was showing signs of movement along the exterior walls, as well as the interior concrete slab. The homeowners, two wonderful people, had just purchased the house and were planning an extensive remodel before moving in. But they knew that before investing in cosmetic upgrades, the foundation needed to be stabilized first. To properly address the issues, we recommended a combination of exterior steel piers and interior polyurethane injection. After reviewing their options and impressed with our knowledge and reputation, they chose OFS to perform the work. When the job was complete, they couldn't have been happier. In their words, the team was fantastic to work with. Communication was easy, and they made the entire process with piers and polyurethane go smoothly. We would definitely use them again. That's the purpose of the corrective stage, addressing moderate but important issues before they escalate into something larger. By stabilizing first, these homeowners now have the peace of mind to move forward with the remodel, knowing their investment rests on a solid foundation.